sa Sipat Elementary School. Isang stick. Wow. 7 pesos isang stick. Dati isang kahe 8 pesos. Pagka 12 Philip Morris na yata yan. Kung naninigarilyo ako ngayon, isang stick lang. Malboro 7 pesos. Wow. Nakahinto tayo ng matagal na. Ito na Green Grass Resort. Green Grass Resort lang ba? Grass Resort lang. Mag-alasing ko na. Bumibisi ng barangay. Kanina nung umalis kami, medyo payapa. Pamay na yan, dumadami ng naglalakbay. Kaliwa, pwede kang punta ng subdivision ng Santa Monica. Labas mo niya, Santo Niño. Yung dating nabuwag pala yun. Yung Santo Niño, Gardel Bulacan, yun ang nabuwag. Kasi yung NLEX, pagbaba mo naman sa kabilang barihan. Ngayon, kailan lang Santo Niño. Rough road pa ito. Nung matatrabaho ko sa National Irrigation Administration sa NIA, hindi na iya, NIA yung irrigation. Ito kami dumadaan sa umaga o kaya sa gabi pag minsan pang alas 12 hanggang alas 10 pa alas 12 yung second shift. Dito kami dadaan sa gabi, bawal kasi humitaan yung truck ng gobyerno sa highway. Pagkagabi baka mahuli ng mga inspector o mga supervisor na nag-chu-chu-chu sa mataas. Bayan, kinuha o kanina yan natapos na. Kung mapanood sana kanina madaling araw, akala ko biyernes pa lang Kasi yung computer ko dito Sabado na, yung computer ko Biyernes pa lang kasi nga Pacific Northwest time ako, Pacific time ako para yung hindi nagugulo yung mga website ko ng bills. Kasi pag dito ko nilagay yung time ng bills ko sa Pacific time, dito ko nilagay sa Pilipinas,
lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I'm not falling, I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going life. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.